these two cute hair grippers to take my hair off when I'm getting ready. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with cushions lately. It's so easy and so convenient. Currently I'm using this one from Clio. Today I'm about to go to the office, and after I want to go on a coffee date with my boyfriend. So I'm quickly getting ready. You want some attention? I love you. Hi. She just wants attention. I got this new mascara from Heimish. It's a Korean mascara. It is very good, but it got so much product on the wand, so I need to clean it every time I want to use it, and it's very annoying. But the effect of it is very nice. It looks like a doll eyes. Boom. This is the lashes. And I'm done. Very fresh and nude makeup for the day. But before I go, I want to unbox a very exciting purchase. This is my present from me to me. I'm gonna show you. So, lately I've been loving the look of a very short nails, of a very nude and natural nails. So I made myself a very nude and very short nails, but before, as you can remember, I was a very long nail girl, but now I think that it looks very cute, very chic and very natural in a way. So I really love the look of it, and more so I really like the look of jewelry on like very nude fingers without any polishes, and I think that it looks so beautiful, so aesthetic when you don't have any polishes, when you have very short nails and only jewelry is making your arms and hands very pretty. I really like the look of it, so I got myself a first ever jewelry pieces. This is like a present from me to myself. So let's unbox it. Okay. Ta-da! I think that it's so dainty, so minimal and so cute. Ooh. I think that it looks very pretty. I never was liking the look of very long nails, even with a very bright color and lots of jewelry. I always thought that this is a bit too much for me, for my liking, for my kind of arms and fingers, but now, yes, but now I think that it looks so pretty. So now I want to expand my collection with new jewelry pieces. This is the one from me to me. So now it's time to get dressed and go to the office. I made a new sugar-free jam. It's made out of sea buckthorn, so it has so it has lots of vitamin C. So sour. +10. Good morning, everybody. Tomorrow I'm going to go on a trip with my boyfriend to Moscow, so today is a packing day. I need to decide what would I wear, what makeup should I take with me. You know, I'm very excited about this trip, but I feel a bit anxious that I can forget something important, so let's pack. I got these packing cubes. I'm gonna take a sportswear with me because the hotel that we stayed in has a gym, but I'm not sure that it's gonna be a very cool gym with lots of stuff, with lots of equipment, but it's gonna be better than nothing. So I will take this with me. Ta-da! So I packed all my clothes stuff, but you know that feeling when you check the weather like 100 times, but you cannot be sure that it's gonna be like that. To be honest, I'm not like a big traveler. I'm not travel enough in my life, I think, but it always was a dream of mine to travel, to explore new city, new food, new culture. And I'm very excited about this little trip, but I feel so anxious that I can forget something, that I haven't packed enough. I feel very excited and my heart is like, wow. And now to the hard part, makeup and skincare. Now it's time to pack my skincare, and I have a very big bottle of my cleansing oil, so I'm gonna refill it with my little travel size bottle with a pump, so it's gonna be very convenient. Hi! Hi! Woo! So we got cleanser, moisturizer, intense moisturizer, eye cream. I'm also packing my new serum from La Roche-Posay Faclar, my lip balm, and an oil. If you're thinking about where is my SPF, I'm gonna pack it with my makeup stuff. Thank God that we have cushion foundations. It's very convenient for traveling. I highly recommend you to get this one. I also got this new eyeshadow palette from Clio. It's 03 Blooming Mauve. It's so pretty, I can't. And I'm gonna take this beauty with me. So pretty. I'm obsessed with pink tones lately, so I'm gonna play with this beauty in my trip. Yes! And also, yesterday I got myself a new pair of sneakers. It's a Chinese brand, Shanghai ACE, and they're so cute. Ta-da! Look at this. Looks very cool, right? It's like a perfect white sneakers, but it's not like very popular ones that you can see on everyone on the street. It's a bit of a unique, so I really love them, and I'm gonna wear those ones on my trip. So pretty. It's like a cool girl pair of sneakers, so I really like it, and I think I'm gonna look like a cool girl in my Moscow trip. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and work a bit, so I will see you in my next vlog in my Moscow trip. See you there, and thank you for watching.